Hi guys, the topic of today's video is how to fix DX12 not supported on your system when trying to boot up Marvel Rivals. And the reality is there is no way to fix it without upgrading your hardware. The most people that I see asking this question is people with integrated graphics. So as a PC player, it's very important to try to at least get a grasp of the basics on PC specifications. For instance, going to your PC settings and checking your actual parts, you can simply type in that part. For instance, let's say you're like me and you have a GTX 970. You can then go in, Google GTX 970 and check the actual specs and see if it supports DX12. But again, the most common user asking this question is one with an integrated graphics, Intel, whatever, AMD, Radeon, whatever. Marvel Rivals is very system intense. So unfortunately, your hardware does not meet the requirement for running the game in DX12. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.